Hey buddies, welcome back to IQS. Today's challenge will be full of surprises that you won't expect. It's time for Guess the K-Pop Demon Hunters movie characters by the emoji. You'll better through 30 thrilling rounds with only 10 seconds each to lock in your answer. Every correct guess earns you points. So, let's see if you've got what it takes to prove you're a true fan of this global phenomenon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Which idol do these emojis point to? Boom! You got it, Rumi. Does this one look familiar from the K-Pop Demon Hunters? Yep, Mira, total queen energy. Time for a warm-up round. Can you guess who this is? What an awesome start. That's the Jinu Saja. Any idea who this secret character could be? Right on the money, that is our derpy tiger. Next question, name that character. Romance Saja, no doubt. What outfit did Mira rock while performing Golden? Was it A, B, or C? Good work, it's definitely C. 3 hidden tweaks. Can you spot them all in time? Easy win right here, here, and over here. Did you catch all the changes? Who's the first person that comes to mind with this combo? Correct. Zoe glowing with confidence and charm. Did Zoe actually grow up in Burbank, California? Choose yes or no. Yes, indeed. Her ethnicity is Korean, but she grew up in Burbank, California. Which song are we hinting at right now? Spot on. It's How It's Done, the track that shows true power. Decode the emojis. Who's this character? It's baby Saja, of course. Which character pops into your head first? That is Abby Saja, absolutely. Attention memory masters, remember the exact position of every character. Got all the spots memorized? Now, where is Rumi? She is in spot number 2. Well done. What mysterious item is hidden in this picture? Right answer, it's Hintrick's light stick. Can you tell who this character is? Bobby, the rock-solid support behind the idols. Next round, can you name this character? Correct, it's Guima. By the way, can you spot the real Saja boy light stick? It's B-sharp spotting skills. Which track do you think this might be? Soda Pop, the song that keeps the vibe sparkling. Crack this emoji puzzle. Think you've got it? Celine. Confident enough to name this character instantly? That is Mystery Saja. Awesome catch. Look closely. Who is hiding in those shadows? Check again. Derpy Tiger first, Rumi next, and Abby Saja wraps it up. Look familiar? Do you know this character? Healer Han. Do you recognize this song? One of the best. It's Take Own. Name that K-pop group. Exactly. Huntrix for the win. Another challenge. Focus up and tell IQS which card does not repeat. Boom! This card appears only once. Can you spot the odd demon Jinu? This odd is in the last row. What's your pick? Definitely Demon Jinu. Can you name here? That is Demon Air Steward Sus. Take a guess. Who is it? Yeah, Magpie it is. Get ready. Who's the next character? Impressive, Demon Captain.